Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how to use split screen on Windows 11. So let's start the video. So as you can see, I have opened 4 programs. Now I will show you how to split the screen, how to use split screen. So in Windows 11, the easy way you can use is open any program, then drag it and drop it on the left side, and then select the second application you want to use. So this is how you can use the split screen. Okay, or if you want to use 3 screens together, you have to select the third one and drag and drop like here. So this is how you can use split screen with the help of drag and drop. The second method you can use to use the split screen, you have to just go to this option, and here you will get these type of layers, this type of split screen you can use. So if I go for this one, 4 screen together. Okay, now the last one like this. So this is how you can use the split screen on Windows 11. And if this option is not working, this option is not showing, what you have to do is to enable this option. Just click on this search box and type multitasking. Click on this option multitasking settings, click on it. And now you have to enable this option. So if I turn this option off, if I disable this option, then the split screen option will not show. If I turn it on, now this option is showing. So you have to enable this option as well. So this is how you can use split screen on Windows 11. This is all for the video. Thank you.